To make a cooking video that people want to watch and then want to keep watching, you'll need a good planning. There are a lot of cooking videos out there and you want to have a recipe that hasn't been shown yet, that is more engaging and more creative. It would be even better if what you show is your own recipe, an original way of preparing it, or if you want to show a recipe or for the first time. The best thing is not to do it directly in front of the camera, but to practice first so that later you can do everything in a more relaxed way and without having to edit and delete when things go wrong. Food and Hands Video Tutorial. This type of video is ideal to show a more focused and fun way to show your recipes. This recording will be static, placing the camera with the focus only on the table or place of preparation, and will only use the voice, music, hand animations, and the food included. This is a video of flat style recipes with hands and pans. These types of videos communicate the versatility and irresistibility of your product to a new generation of fans. Cooking Program Presentation. A food presentation is a type of cooking show that is used in a simpler and more elegant way. This is for people who prefer to show and present their recipes in an easy, elegant, and attractive way. These videos include logos, lower thirds, transitions, and even special recipe elements. Kitchen. In this type of video, transitions are made between the cooking, the ingredients on the table surface, and the person speaking directly to the camera. Some segments showing food and hands from a static top angle could be mixed in with this type of video. A combination of overhead, side angle, and close-up shots.